Okay, it's time to take a rest from digging this. And now, remember, I'm just loading that over there, so I don't have to load the rest of this into the bucket. I can just pick this because there's some roots in there and just move it around the corner. I've taken my time and kind of got some of this stuff out of there, picked through some of the rocks and stuff like that. It's giving me a little bit of a rest. And now I'm gonna keep resting a little bit more. And I'm just gonna do this little section right here with my little shovel I used to poo-poo, and say, what can you do with the little shovel? Lots. I guess I could get that bigger one, but see, there's not that much to get over here, so I could use this small one. Do it however I want. Yeah. I've had this pile here all winter and part of last summer, and there's all kinds of tree roots kind of growing back in this stuff. But you just try to take your time and sift through it the best you can. And you'll know when you hit the dirt. See, I'm right there at the dirt line there. Okay, and I know I have to just clean this up a little, because from here out that way, I'm going to use the bucket and just carry it over here. I could have started over there, but I didn't. I started here. Is there a right or wrong way to do stuff? No, just get in there and do it. You know? No, like I said, I don't care. Just right now, if I get some small little rocks in there, see, right on. Hopefully you can see that. I got you set up in the shade just because it's easier to show you at this angle, you know. Okay. All right. Now I can keep working from there on out in the front. This gave me a slight little reprieve. Trust me, you're gonna get tired, but the thing is, you need to keep working. Give yourself a goal, how far to get. My goal before the end of the day is to get the rest of this stuff out of here and dumped over there, okay? And just have it down to the raw dirt where I can start sifting and doing a better job around the edges. And if I can scrape up a little bit more decomposed granite, another half to 3/4 of a bucket or more, I will. I want to get it just down to the dirt, just kind of how I have it around here. And then before the end of the day, I'll pick up all the roots, I'll pick up all the weed block, pick up the weed block over here, and do the best I can so it looks like it was left nice and pretty.